Hello everyone, welcome you all once again. I am here with the chapter called Sectors of the Indian Economy. In my today's video, I am going to revise the topic once again. Okay, how the economic activities have been classified or divided into various sectors, or what is the criteria or basis on which we have the classified or divided the economic activities. So there have in the chapter, three criteria have been used to classify the economic activities into various sectors. First classification has been done on the basis of the nature of the economic activity. We have seen that all people do not go to same workplace and the work is different, and the production and the products that they create or the services that they deliver, each differs. It is not same by every people. So on the basis of the nature of economic activities, we see that some people, they are doing or exploiting the natural resources, and product is also natural one. So these type of activities in which natural factors or natural things are used and product is also natural one, these activities are kept or come under the primary sector. So primary sector is also known as agriculture sector, and agriculture related activities are kept or categorized or referred under primary sector. So primary sector include all those activities, all those production activities in which natural factors are used, in which the things that we have got from nature has been used or is being used by the people, and in this way people in the meantime they produce goods, the goods which are also natural, and these goods help them to earn their living, or for their livelihood they are engaged. And we know that in India more than 50% of our population, they are engaged in agriculture and they are earning their livelihood from agriculture. So primary sector include, or it is, why it is called primary, because it is the base of all production activities. And from primary sector, people have learnt how to produce goods and fulfill their growing needs. And as their needs grew because of the technological advancement and because of the passing of the time, their activities also expanded and they shifted themselves from primary to secondary. Secondary sector is also called industrial sector or manufacturing sector. And what type of activities? Here the products are made in the industries, various types of industries, and with the help of human skill and with the help of machines which people have made. But of course, the primary sector, whatever it produces, the output of primary sector is used here in the secondary sector as input. It means that primary sector is selling its output to secondary sector. And how this process or this selling and buying activities take place, it is with the help of tertiary sector. So tertiary sector does not produce the third sector. Tertiary sector is also called service sector. It does not produce any goods, but it provides services, and these services are very much important or needed by primary sector as well as by the secondary sector. So in today's video, I would like to explain and before you that how and what are the three criterias have been used to classify or in the classification of the economic activities. So first classification has been done on the basis of the nature of economic activities that I was just saying: primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. So in the beginning, when people started making products, and when they learned how to stay at one place and they learned to grow crops, so primary sector is the base of all production activities. From here people learned how to grow crops, because First, they needed to fulfill their dietary needs, to make themselves to survive, how to sustain, how to survive in this world. So they learned, and that made them to stay at one place. So agriculture is the main activity of primary sector. Other activities which is included, or which the people do in primary sector, are mining, poultry farming, beekeeping, and then other agriculture, dairy, etc. These activities are done in primary sector. Secondary sector, where the output of primary sector, or the minerals that have been extracted in the primary sector, is now used and transformed or processed here with the help of machine and the people's skill in the industry. Means all types of processing is done in a small or a big industry, and in this way the product is transformed, and now the product is not the natural product. It has been changed its form. It has changed its form, and now it is called as man-made products or artificial product. Then here, what type of, all types of industries or all types of industrial production is done here. So secondary sector is also called industrial sector or manufacturing sector. All types of, whether it is textile, automobile, heavy electrical works, all types of industrial works are done here, and products are given some new form, or it is transformed into a different form, or different shape is given to it with the help of machine and human skill. Third sector, in which we keep those activities which does not produce any goods, but it provides services, and these services are needed or required to complete the production or other processes of primary and secondary sector. Is what type of services are included or done in service sector? Transport, communication, banking, insurance, tourism, security, health, education, all these services are included or done in service sector. So in this way, what I am trying to say, that all the people, for earning their living or livelihood, they have engaged themselves in these three sectors. So in my next video lecture, again the next topic will be revised, and this revision will of course help you to do the question answer from exercises as well as from the chapter, or within the chapter there are so many questions given under the topic let us discuss, and you all must try to do it yourself first. Do not copy from anywhere, because if you will write the answer from your own, this will improve your communication skill and your understanding will also improve. Thank you, boys.